Now, you and I love these.
Love a cube.
Love a luggage cube. These are, I think, life-changing luggage cubes. That sounds really crass, doesn't it?
But we know what you mean.
It's not life-changing.
No.
They really make life easier, though. What we do in my family is we say, OK, Paul's red. That's got all Paul's luggage in it. So Paul can go in there. I'm going to be blue. Dora can be orange, so we pack Dora in. Phoebe can be green. And then when we get there, first of all, they compartmentalize. Everyone's got their own. You can put them in. Then when we get to the hotel, and we all want to go swimming, want to unpack quickly, quick, put that on the shelf, put that on the shelf, put it on the shelf, especially if you're skiing or you've got snorkel stuff and everything is sort of more or less the same, but you need to identify it. These are really good. You get a set of 6 different size ones. All like this, all different colours, £20.
Yeah, they are really good.
Amazon, Argos, everyone's got them. Really good value.
The thing is, when you go, and that's all Paul's, I go, that would literally just be my underwear.
No.
Or my bikini.
Really not all.
How would you react if I said, Ruth, would you put this is my underwear, would you put it in your case?
No, get your own case.
No, honestly,
I've got far too
I
much.
could do a family of 4 in this case.
Oh, you cannot.
Yes, I really could, I promise.
Could you?
Yes, I could. And you don't want to take your maximum luggage allowance because airport scales are only calibrated once a year. So if you go right up to your 20-kilogram limit
and I'm always nervous.
And the airport scales are out, then you're paying £3 a kilogram.
So you're saying always go a bit under on your own
Always go
scale.
under, especially you want souvenirs coming back, don't you? And dirty washing seems to weigh a lot more than coming back. So always roll. Always roll. Where's my one with T-shirts? I've got about 6 T-shirts in this. I could fit many, many more. Rolling, for me, is the best way.
But what about wrinkles?
My what?
Wrinkles.
Wrinkles, no. Rolling is much better for crease. Isn't that nice? You can see them, it's organised. And in fact, when you get to the hotel, you don't actually need to unpack.
Oh, don't. Now.
You can leave that like that, can't you?
No.
Oh,
you have to hang.